Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Do you feel nervous when you try to speak English? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I will share a powerful story about a boy named Aryan. This story will teach you that making mistakes is the first step to learning. The struggle. In a small town, there lived a bright student named Aryan. He was excellent in math and science. But he had one big fear: speaking English. One day, his teacher asked him a simple question in class. Aryan knew the answer, but his heart started racing. He was terrified, bahut dara hua, that his friends would laugh at his broken English. So he stayed silent. He felt embarrassed, sharminda, and sad. The practice. That night, Aryan made a promise to himself. He decided to practice every day. He started talking to himself in the mirror. He would say, "I can do this. I will learn." He started reading English newspapers loudly. He learned new words like determination, pakka irada, and progress, unnati. For many weeks, he practiced alone in his room. It was difficult, but he did not give up. Finally, the day of the school speech competition arrived. Aryan's name was called. He walked to the stage with confidence. He looked at the audience and started speaking. His English was not perfect, but his message was clear. When he finished, everyone stood up and clapped for him. He realized that English is just a language, not a test of your intelligence. Conclusion and vocabulary. So the lesson is, stop waiting for perfection. Just start speaking. Let's revise 3 important words from the story. 1. Terrified, feeling very scared. 2. Embarrassed, feeling shy or ashamed. 3. Determination, the ability to continue trying even if it is difficult. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, please comment. I will try below. See you in the next video.